Okay, this is our problem of the day. There are 32 grade 2 children at Sycamore Elementary School. There are 41 children in grade 3. About how many children are in the two grades together? So we see this word about capitalized. So what does about mean? Get ready. It means estimate. So it's not wanting an exact number, it's saying about how many. So if we wanted to do this quickly, we estimate these numbers. So we know there's 32 in grade 2 and there's 41 in grade 3. So we're asking how many all together, about how many. So the number 32, how would we round that number? Would we round it up or round it down? Get ready? Yes, down, and that number would be 30. There are 41. Would we round that number up or down? Get ready? Down, and that number would be 40. So if we add 30 and 40 together, we would get 70 students. Remember, we wanted to know about, not exactly.